Alright, we're going to make toad in the hole. Very kid-friendly breakfast today. First, grab some bread, whatever you want. Grab a glass or a cup that has a smaller circumference than your area of your bread so you can create a hole on the inside of it. Now, you're going to need the hole to be big enough where it can hold an egg, whether it be a medium or a large egg. Just keep that in mind when you're choosing a glass. There we go. I'm going to save those and make French toast with them later. So first, use a pan, get some butter in it, put it on a medium heat, and get ready for your eggs. Put your bread down first. Make sure that you have enough area in your pan where your bread can be flat. That way it'll hold the egg and not seep out the side. Okay. Next, we're going to prep the eggs. First, I'm going to scramble one. So let's go ahead and get that cracked in there and scramble it. Now, feel free to season this egg however you want. Salt, soy sauce. You could use a tiny bit of milk or cream or mayo in there. And then just pour it in that first hole with the bread. Okay, now second one, we're just going to crack the egg in there. There we go. Okay. Now remember, medium heat. You don't want this to cook too fast. Pop that hole. Okay. Go ahead, put a lid on this so it'll steam the top of the egg and get ready before we flip it. After a few minutes, just get in there with that spatula and flip. There we go. There's one perfect and one not so perfect, but that's okay. You can always clean it up as you go along, especially with the scrambled. There we go. And toad in the hole. Let me plate this and cut this open so you can see. There's your scrambled, and here is the one with the whole egg in. Now, I only cooked to a medium, over medium there. I still like the yolk a little bit running where I can sop it up with the bread, but you cook to your amount of doneness that you want there. And makes a perfect little breakfast sandwiches. Kids kind of love the novelty of it, so it is delicious. Please give it a try. And enjoy. Thank you.